Welcome to FT Collision's Tip of the Week, COVID edition. Today, we're going to be showing you how to book your appointment online and then the steps to go through when you come here. Here at FT Collision, we know that there's a little bit of a pandemic issue going on, so we try to make sure we adhere to all the rules and regulations that are currently going on, especially in the state of Illinois, as we are in Cook County, and we try to make it the safest and the easiest possible way to make sure that you can get your vehicle taken care of at the same time as being as safe as possible. So let's hop on over to ftcollision.com and get your appointment booked now.
Welcome to ftcollision.com. Scroll down and you'll see Book Now. Click on Book Now, and here's where you can book your appointment. Start by typing your name, your address, city, state, your postal code, the country. Here, type the date that you would like to come in for your estimate. So here we'll say tomorrow. Month, day, and year. Beneath that, you'll put in your phone number and hit submit. Now that you've booked your appointment online, let's walk you through the process of getting your free estimate done right here at FT Collision.
I booked my appointment online for a free estimate.
Oh, we were waiting for you. Can you fill this out, please?
Yeah.
Once all the paperwork is filled out, our friendly estimator will take you outside and explain what needs to be done in order to fix your vehicle. After this, he'll go inside and use our state-of-the-art estimating software to give you the best and most reliable estimate that we can get. And don't forget, we accept all insurance claims, and in the event we find broken brackets below it, we can also add a supplement.
Thank you so much for coming in. Here's your estimate. Have a great day.
Thanks.
So there you have it. By going to ftcollision.com, you were able to book your appointment, come in, and get your 100% free estimate done in-house, being as safe as possible. And remember, if you don't wear the mask, sometimes this happens.
Hello.
Get out!
All joking aside, we're not actually going to yell at you, but we are going to request that you please wear a mask, as that is part of the rules and regulations currently going on in our state and in our area. We also have hand sanitizer, and we do keep the 6-foot rule policy. So, aside from going to ftcollision.com, remember you can still call us at 708-418-5840 to book your appointment that way. Thank you so much for watching again, and remember, here at FT Collision, just because we met by accident doesn't mean we're not family. Have a great day.